Hey cookers, I've been having fun in the kitchen for over 50 years. I started when I was just old enough to stir a bowl for my mom, and I remember the first time I stood in front of the stove and turned a pork chop. I was so excited and so proud of myself. I was starting to grow up. My mom and my grandma shared with me a lot of the family traditional meals. They shared with me all the tips and tricks that not only just made cooking easier, but it was fun. I've always been a creative person. I started playing guitar when I was 13. I love to paint oil paints. The creativity in these videos is a lot of fun. It allows me to explore. Likewise, in the kitchen, all my life, cooking in the kitchen has been an opportunity to be creative and have fun. And that's what Cooking with Jill is all about. It's all about being creative and having fun in the kitchen, where we're taking something that some people consider boring and a chore and making it a joy and having fun and thinking about, how can I make this different today? Or how can I make this easier? Those types of things. You're going to learn simple and smart methods for enhancing flavor, making your dishes special, while saving time and saving money. And yes, I'm going to do product reviews because you need to know about the good products that are out there for us to use in our kitchens. Having the right tools make the job so much easier. And of course, I'll share family recipes and things that I've created myself to come up with some nice epicurean delights. So I want you to join our cooking family and contribute some of your family recipes and some of the traditions that your mom and your grandma shared with you. Tell us about your little tips and tricks that you do every day so that together we could come up with even greater ideas and have more fun, and, well, our families might enjoy it too. You never know. We might be cooking together right here on Cooking with Jill. So subscribe and have fun.